Stop wasting hours trying to create AI videos manually, because what if I told you there's an AI that can generate a complete animated video from just one simple prompt? I'm talking full story, characters, scenes, animation, even editing, all done automatically. No software, no timeline editing, no experience needed. And the craziest part? It's currently 100% free and unlimited. Yeah, no credits, no paywall, nothing. This tool is called Anijam AI, and it's basically the ChatGPT of animation. You just type what you want, and it handles everything for you. Script writing, storyboarding, character design, scene creation, full video generation, all in one place. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to go from a simple idea to a complete animated video in just a few minutes. And yes, we're doing it live so you can see exactly how it works. So if you've ever wanted to create high-quality AI videos without spending money or learning complex tools, you need to watch this. And real quick, if you love content like this, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I drop the latest AI tools before everyone else. Now, let's jump straight into it. Welcome! Click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to visit Anijam.ai. Anijam.ai is the ChatGPT of animation. It is a fully automated, dialogue-driven AI agent that handles the entire video production pipeline for you. Making an AI automated video is now as easy as having a conversation. Basically, you just give it a simple prompt or text, and this AI will generate a complete video for you. We are going to do exactly that right now in this video. First, click on the Start for Free button right here. Next, you simply need to log in with your Google account. Just so you know, Anijam is currently 100% free and unlimited, meaning you can generate as many videos as you want with this tool. You simply type your animation idea, plot, characters, world, or anything else that inspires you. You can even use a reference image to be featured in your video. For this example, I am going to provide a simple prompt. I will go ahead and input my prompt right here.
Now I'll simply click on Send right here.
Just like that, a new project will begin. The AI agent will start thinking about the necessary steps and will provide you with a to-do list. This includes creating the story outline, designing the visual style, designing characters and scenes, creating a storyboard, generating video clips, and combining the final video together. Everything is done automatically for you. Next, you need to select your production mode. You can choose either AI Director mode or Workflow mode, but AI Director mode is highly recommended for everyone. I'll go ahead and select AI Director mode so the system takes full control of the process. Now, let's look at the settings. You can select your preferred target audience. I will leave it set to teenagers. Next is the platform you plan to post on. You can choose shorts, films, or ads, but since I am doing this for YouTube, I will leave it selected on YouTube. The perfect aspect ratio is automatically selected for YouTube. For the audio mode, you can select music only, voiceover, or auto, which allows the AI to decide for you. I will leave it set to music only. For the duration, it is currently set to 2 minutes. You can make it as long as you want, but I will leave it at 2 minutes because that is more than sufficient for this particular video. Now, I'll go ahead and click Confirm, and the AI agent will start working on the next step. The storyline is now being created. Let's give it a moment. As you can see, this is the outline. The characters are being created along with all the objects that will be used. The scenes and details are being generated right in front of us, which is amazing. By the way, guys, you can do this entire process right now on your phone without downloading any app. Next, you need to select your desired animation style. Looking at the options, you can choose styles like Joyful 3D, Pixel Pop 3D, and many more. You can also access the Style Library. If we open the Style library, you'll see a massive collection of different styles to choose from. You can simply browse through them to find the perfect fit for your project. However, for this video, I prefer the Pixel Pop 3D style right here. I like this one, so I will select it. The style I chose is now locked in. Let's go ahead and create the concept design. I will click on Concept Design, and it is now going to generate the visual concepts for our video. It really is that simple. With just a few clicks, everything is done in no time. I'll click on Generate All Concepts right here. Now all 5 concepts have finished generating: the boy, the girl, their books, and the surrounding environment. Perfect. I will go ahead and click on Continue to AI Director. If you check our to-do list, we only have 2 steps left: generating the video clips and combining everything together. The AI Director will complete this within a few minutes. As you can see here, it has generated all 11 scenes that we will be using. It is also using the Kling O3 model to generate the video, and it will generate the music to go with it. You'll notice it asks if we want to generate all scenes at once or generate them step by step. I prefer the fully automated approach, so I will select Generate All at Once. By choosing this, it will generate all 11 scenes simultaneously, and I won't have to click any additional buttons. I'll click on Generate All at Once now, and you can see it is currently generating every scene, from scene 1 all the way to scene 11. Let's give it a moment to process. All right, all the scenes are done and they're displayed right here. If any scene fails to finish, the AI automatically regenerates it by itself. What I need to do now is click on Add Media to Timeline. I will do that, and all the video clips will be imported into the timeline. The full video is now assembled and placed on the timeline. If we navigate to the timeline section, you can see all of our video clips in order. Let's go ahead and play a little bit of it to preview the result. At this stage, your job is to review the entire video, go through the clips, and see if there is anything you need to cut or trim. You simply refine the timeline to your liking, and once you are satisfied, you can go ahead and export it. Let's go ahead and export this project. First, click on the Export button. Ensure the export type is set to video. Next, choose your desired resolution. I will select 1080p. You can also adjust the frames per second, or FPS, and the video bitrate to however you prefer. Once your settings are ready, click Start Export. The video is now rendering and exporting right here. Once the video is done exporting, I will go ahead and close this window. Now, if you return to the Canvas tab, you will see a menu on the left-hand side showing that this tool has several other powerful features. Aside from standard image and video generation, you have AI video, where you can provide a starting frame or upload a video to generate new AI video from it. There is also an image reference feature, where you can upload your own images to guide the generation, just like in this example. Additionally, they offer a lip sync tool. With this feature, you can select a face from your canvas or upload any image or video to make the character speak. They also have motion control, which allows your generated character to mimic a specific movement from an uploaded reference video. And of course, you can use the character tool to design your own custom characters. I have mine generated right here, along with a dedicated voice library for custom audio. So guys, that is how easy it is to actually create high-quality videos using this amazing AI tool. Go ahead and click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to visit Anijam AI and start creating for free with unlimited generations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.